Sirin reports, Hazrat Moosa, who was a woman belonging to Ansars and enjoyed the status of swearing an oath of allegiance to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came to Basra to see her son, but she could not see him. She, narrating us a hadith, said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us while we were bathing his daughter and said, bath her with water and lot tree leaves 3 or 5 or more times, if you see fit, and mix camphor in the end. Then notify me when you get free. When we had finished, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam put his wrapper before us and said, shroud her in it and nothing more than it. I do not know which of his daughters she was. The reporter thinks al-ish'ar means to wrap. Ibn Sirin, in case of a woman, would say that she should be covered and should not be shrouded in wrapper. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1261.